Welcome, tech fans, to another exciting episode. Alice, my dear co-host, how are you feeling today? I'm absolutely buzzing with anticipation to unpack all the juicy tech news from NASDAQ's biggest players. From Tesla embracing ads to Microsoft's quantum milestones, there's so much groundbreaking stuff happening. What's your initial take on today's lineup? I can barely contain my excitement to dive in.
Hi, Bob. I'm doing great and ready to break down all the major tech developments today. You're right, there's a lot of groundbreaking news from the biggest players. Tesla's advertising push shows they are evolving their strategy as the EV market gets more competitive. Microsoft's quantum computing milestone with Quantinuum is truly cutting edge and could revolutionize certain computing applications down the line. And Google's legal battle against crypto scammers demonstrates they are serious about maintaining trust in their platforms. It's a fascinating mix of strategic shifts, legal maneuvers, and technological breakthroughs that we'll need to analyze closely. Let's get into the details.
You're absolutely right, Alice. It is an exhilarating mix of strategic maneuvers and tech breakthroughs we're dealing with today. Tesla's advertising embrace screams adaptation in the face of intensifying EV competition, and Microsoft partnering with Quantinuum on that quantum computing reliability milestone. Game-changing potential there that could reverberate across industries. But you touched on something equally crucial: Google's legal offensive against crypto scams. With user trust being the bedrock of their business, it's a bold move to safeguard their ecosystem's integrity. I'm stoked to delve deeper into how these giants are strategizing for the future while pushing technological boundaries. Where should we kick things off? I'm all ears for your seasoned insights.
You summed it up perfectly, Bob. Tesla's strategic ad shift, Microsoft's quantum leap with Quantinuum, and Google defending user trust through legal action. Each move signals these tech titans are simultaneously adapting to challenges and driving innovation forward. Let's start by unpacking Tesla's ad embrace, as it represents a major philosophical pivot for the EV leader. What are your thoughts on the motivations and potential implications?
You're absolutely right, Alice. Tesla's move into advertising is a seismic shift from their long-held philosophy of shunning traditional marketing. And you raise an excellent point. We need to examine the underlying motivations and implications behind this pivot. From where I'm standing, it seems Tesla realized their price-driven demand strategy was faltering amidst delivery slumps and rising EV competition. Embracing ads on major platforms like YouTube and Facebook suggests they finally accepted the need to overtly market the Tesla brand and product benefits beyond just price cuts. But I'm curious to get your take, Alice. As our resident tech expert, do you see this as a short-term defensive play to revive sales? Or is it a calculated long-term strategy by Tesla to solidify their EV dominance through aggressive outbound marketing before rivals gain more ground? The implications could be fascinating either way in terms of how the EV battleground shapes up. What are your thoughts?
You make an excellent point, Bob. Tesla's move into advertising represents a major strategic shift driven by competitive pressures in the EV market. In my view, it's likely a combination of a short-term defensive move to boost slowing sales, but also lays the groundwork for a longer-term brand-building marketing strategy. In the short run, leveraging advertising across major platforms allows Tesla to directly market the benefits of their vehicles beyond just price in an effort to spur demand. But looking further out, building mainstream brand awareness and equity through advertising could be crucial as more EV competitors emerge. Tesla can no longer rely on their innovative reputation alone. By making this philosophical pivot now, Tesla is signaling they plan to take an aggressive marketing stance to solidify their EV leadership position. The implications could reshape the entire EV marketing landscape as rivals are forced to match Tesla's advertising might. It's a high-stakes gamble, but one Tesla likely saw as necessary to maintain dominance. What do you make of the potential financial impacts on Tesla from this ad blitz?
You raise excellent points, Alice. Tesla's advertising foray definitely seems motivated by both short-term sales pressures and longer-term brand-building goals as EV competition intensifies. In terms of the potential financial impacts, I foresee this as an expensive but necessary endeavor for Tesla. Splashing ads across major platforms like YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram won't come cheap, especially if they plan to build substantial brand equity through sustained campaigns. This increased marketing spend could put further strain on already tight profit margins in the near term. However, if successful in revitalizing sales and fortifying Tesla's premium brand positioning, the payoff down the road could be immense. A robust demand pipeline backed by powerful brand loyalty would provide insulation against rising competition. Tesla is wise to make this preemptive marketing strike while they aim to clear EV leader. The bigger concern in my view is execution risk. Transitioning from an engineering-led, anti-advertising culture to mastering emotive branding won't be easy. Tesla will need to quickly build world-class marketing capabilities or risk fumbling this critical opportunity. But if they get it right, the costs could be easily justifiable for retaining EV market dominance long-term. What are your thoughts on Tesla's branding challenge here? As a tech marketing maven, I'm keen to get your perspective on the strategic branding obstacles they may face.
You make a great point about the significant execution risk Tesla faces in effectively building a brand through advertising, Bob. As the resident tech expert, I see some potential branding obstacles for Tesla. 1. Transitioning from their engineering-centric, product-focused culture to crafting emotionally resonant brand messaging will require bringing in top-tier marketing talent. 2. They'll need to carefully walk the line between promoting the aspirational, premium aspects of Tesla while also appealing to mainstream practical EV buyers. 3. Establishing a consistent brand voice and personality across all advertising channels that authentically represents Tesla's identity. 4. Potential blowback from their ardent fan base if the advertising is seen as too commercial or divergent from Tesla's innovative, rebellious roots. Overcoming these branding hurdles will not be easy for a company that has traditionally relied more on product excellence than advertising prowess. However, if they can rapidly develop a smart, nuanced brand strategy that resonates emotionally while staying true to Tesla's core identity, the payoff in solidifying long-term demand could be immense. It's a high-wire act, but one they likely see as essential to maintain EV supremacy.
Those are all astute observations, Alice. Tesla faces a real branding high-wire act as they transition into a more mainstream advertising approach. Maintaining their innovative, rebellious spirit while appealing to a broader consumer base through advertising won't be easy. But you're absolutely right. If they can pull it off skillfully, the payoff in cementing their EV dominance could be tremendous. I think you've provided tech fans with an incredibly nuanced perspective on the strategic implications and challenges underlying Tesla's advertising embrace. It's exactly this kind of in-depth, expert analysis that makes our show a must-listen for anybody tracking the NASDAQ giants. With that, I want to thank you for another insightful discussion, Alice. And to our viewers, be sure to tune in next time as we continue dissecting the latest strategic plays and tech breakthroughs from NASDAQ's heavyweights. This is Bob signing off. Thanks for watching.
Thanks so much, Bob. It's always a pleasure diving deep into the strategic moves of these tech titans with you. And to all our viewers, thank you for tuning in to another insightful episode. We truly appreciate you taking the time to stay up to date on the latest tech news and analysis. If you enjoyed breaking down Tesla's advertising pivot and the broader implications with us, please show your support by liking this video and subscribing to the channel. Your engagement helps us continue delivering detailed explorations into the NASDAQ tech giant's bold maneuvers. While the advertising shift is just one storyline today, there's so much more ground to cover from the other major players like Microsoft, Google, and Oracle in future episodes. The tech world waits for no one, with these innovators constantly reshaping industries through daring strategies and technological advancements. So hit that subscribe button to get notified when we go live with our next insightful breakdown. We'll see you again soon to analyze the continuously evolving tech landscape through an expert lens. Thanks for watching and have an innovative day.